Hi everyone, today we're going to be cash planning $500 to stuff into our envelopes. So I'm going to make this plan today, go to the bank tomorrow, and pull out these amounts that I need. I might need 2 pages. Also, we're kind of playing around with our original amount here. Last time I did 300 and I feel like I kind of reworked things just now on my spreadsheet, and I think we're going to try 500 a week and see how that goes. I was really frustrated yesterday, or just kind of disappointed, I guess, because I feel like I cash stuffed and then I unstuff, and I feel like I'm unstuffing like all of my envelopes. And part of that is due to unexpected expenses that come up. I have a lot of medical issues, and so some of that was related to that, and just I don't know, things that I hadn't accounted for because I'm kind of new to this still, and I'm like figuring it out, I guess. But I felt like I was taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back and making negative progress. So anyways, we're going to play around with this amount. We might go down, we might go up. We'll kind of see, because this doesn't account any of my bills or anything. All of that stuff is just stays in the bank because most of my bills are just on auto pay, and that's just easier for me. And I only get paid once a month. So with that, I'm just trying to figure out what works best for me. So if anybody's in the same boat, let me know if you have any tips or tricks that have worked for you. But anyways, let's go ahead and start with our variable expenses. So groceries, gas, dining out, and ARIA. Okay, so for example, last week for groceries, I planned on $30 because I was like, I have enough at home, and I did not. I had to use that $30 and then some. And then, yeah, so I'm kind of playing around with the amounts still, but we're just going to do $80. And then I have to remind myself, like, if there's stuff left over, then that's great. But if not, like, it's okay because I need groceries. Gas, we're going to do 25. Dining out, we're going to do 40. And Aria is getting 10. Okay, so let me add this up real quick. Okay, so 155. I really need a separate calculator because I've always used my phone, but I'm recording with my phone, so and I'm not that great at math. So hopefully all of this will be accurate. All right, let's start with these. Nothing is wrong with my car, so this isn't really high priority right now, but I am gonna have to get my oil changed soon. So we're gonna do 40. I think I'm gonna skip this for now because I have this taken care of. Self-care. Okay, let me put another 20 in here actually. Let's take a look at what's in here. Okay, my cell phone bill I know is coming up this month, $2,455. All right, I need more than that. Okay, so cell phone. Okay, we're gonna put a pretty hefty chunk in there. Debt. Let's see. Let's do 20. Emergency. 20. Marry money. I think I'm gonna skip this. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 120. Okay, actually, we'll do it a 20. Okay, transportation is for my car insurance, but that's like so far away. So let's just do a 5 in that. All right, so I think at this point we have $100 left to stuff after this. So transportation, travel, let's do a 5. Wellness, Let's do a 5. Savings is for whatever I save at the end of the week. Back to school. Let's do a 5. We're going to skip Beach Babe because not planning on doing that anytime soon. Birthdays. We're going to do a 10, but 2 5s. One for me and one for Aria. College fund. Okay, I need another page. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so we have $70 left. If I did my math correctly, which hopefully I did. Okay, so college fund. We'll do a 10. So that'd be 60 left. Craft corner. We'll do a 5. Education, we're going to skip. It's very low priority right now. Electronics, we're going to skip because it's very low priority as well. Games, have nothing. Okay, games, we'll do a 5. Hair, I'm going to skip because I already budgeted for that, and it has, I don't know, I just need to skip that one right now. Investing, we'll do a 5. So new car, we're going to skip that one. New home, we're going to skip that one. Actually, I should put something in new home because I am trying to save up for a down payment eventually. So let's just put a 5 in that one. Okay, let's see where we're at. We had 70, so 10, 20, 30. So we have $40 left, I think, if that's correct. Okay, so rainy day. We'll do a 5, and that's it. So we have $35. Okay, let me go get actually my New Year's Eve saving challenge, and we'll see what we can put in that. All right, so I got my New Year's Eve saving challenge, so we're gonna scratch one of these off. This is available in my shop right now. There are 2 different versions. There's a $100 savings goal and a $200 savings goal. So this is the $100 one. Because I usually don't do very much for New Year's Eve. I'm not going to throw a party or anything, but I might go, I don't know, treat myself to a dinner or something. We'll see. Okay, so $10 for that. Put over here. Okay, so New Year's is 10. So we still have $25 left. And where should we put it? These are pretty low priority. Let's go back to this page. I think all of these are good. Car maintenance, that should be plenty to get me started. I could add more to this because this is for sure something that I have to pay at the end of this month. Yeah, so let's do the rest of the, so we'll do 75 here. Okay, y'all, my video cut off, but I just added all these sums up, and it did total up to $500, so I went ahead and determined what denominations I need. So here they are right here. I will take these into the bank tomorrow and withdraw this and then do my cash stuffing video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe so you can see the next one that I'll be posting, which is my cash stuffing video. Those are always really fun. I really love watching those on YouTube. And if you guys have any comments about tips or tricks, stuff that you guys do for your budgeting, I would love to hear what your goals are, what your tips are for working with whatever budget you have. Like I mentioned, I don't know if this got cut off or not, but this is, if you want a copy of this, it's in my shop, which is linked in my bio, and it's 20% off now, so that's pretty cool. And then if you want any of the savings trackers that are in here or in my other binder, those are also in my shop. There's a digital copy available if you want to print them off yourself, or you can buy the physical product and I will ship it to you. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.